Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Wi-Fi on both the TV and your mobile device. Make sure any mobile hotspot is off because it can block peer connections. Once done, go straight to the TV's settings, open Network, and choose Wi-Fi Direct or screen mirroring. This puts the TV in discoverable mode. Meanwhile, on your phone choose Connections, then Wi-Fi, then Wi-Fi Direct. Keep the screen unlocked so the TV can find and list your device immediately. Next, pick the TV name from your phone's Wi-Fi Direct list and tap Connect. You may see the TV appear as a model number or friendly name. When a PIN or pairing prompt appears, confirm it on both devices so they trust each other. This secures the direct link. Make sure to accept any permission requests on the phone for screen capture or media files, because without those permissions, you can't mirror video or transfer content reliably. After pairing, open the app or system cast control and choose screen mirroring or cast, then select the TV content should appear within seconds. If the video stutters, change the TV input or lower the phone's streaming resolution and move both devices closer, ideally within 3 to 5 meters for a stable link. If connection fails, restart Wi-Fi Direct on both devices, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, or reboot the TV and phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.